Okay, let the flat top game begin, family. We got some sliced onions here, and then some portobello mushrooms, just a little bit of salt. Butter first, and then some extra virgin olive oil. Here we go. Okay, so here's the mushrooms. And then the onions are mostly done too here. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, now we got to toast the two 2 foot long Apicella's famous rolls, Italian bread, New Haven, Connecticut. Here we go. Okay, let's take a look underneath. There we go. Awesome. Any guesses, family? Any guesses? Let me know.